If you say, I am agree, you sound like a beginner. The correct form is I agree. No am, no is. And this isn't the only sentence learners get wrong. Today, we're fixing 10 common sentences that make you sound unnatural, even if your grammar is technically okay.
Wait, I've definitely said I am agree before.
You're not alone. Millions of learners make these mistakes. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake, still recovering from saying I am boring when I meant I am bored.
Perfect example. Let's fix that one too. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what sounds wrong and how to say it correctly. Let's start with the big one. I am agree.
What's wrong with it? You're saying you agree, right?
The problem is agree is a verb, not an adjective. You don't need am. So it's just I agree with you.
So it's just I agree with you.
Exactly. Same for I disagree, she agrees, they don't agree.
Why do so many people say I am agree?
Because in many languages, you use to be with adjectives. Learners think agree is like happy or tired, but it's not. It's an action verb. Next one. I am boring.
Yeah, he said this once at a party. People looked at me weird.
That's because I am boring means you are a boring person. You make other people bored.
Oh no.
What you meant was I am bored. Bored equals you feel bored. Boring equals you are a boring person.
So ed is the feeling and ing is what causes the feeling.
Exactly. Here are more examples. Interested, you feel interest. Interesting, something causes interest. Excited, you feel excitement. Exciting, something causes excitement. Confused, you feel confusion. Confusing, something causes confusion.
So the movie was boring means the movie made me bored.
Perfect. And I was bored during the movie means you felt bored. This one is super common. I have 25 years old.
What's wrong with that?
In English, we don't have age, we are age.
But in Spanish, French, and other languages, you say have.
Exactly. That's why so many learners make this mistake. But in English, age is a state of being, not something you possess. Next, I am coming from Brazil.
Wait, isn't that present continuous?
It is, but it means you're traveling right now from Brazil. If you want to say where you're from originally, you need present simple. I come from Brazil. Your origin. I'm from Brazil. Even simpler. I am coming from Brazil only if you're currently traveling.
So I'm coming from the airport is correct.
Yes, because you're literally traveling from there right now.
Got it. Origin equals come from or I'm from. Current travel equals coming from.
Perfect. Here's a quick one. It depends of.
Should be depends on.
Exactly. It depends on the weather. It depends of the weather.
Why on and not of?
Just how the verb works. Some verbs need specific prepositions. Depend always takes on. More examples. It depends on you. Success depends on hard work. That depends on the situation. This one drives native speakers crazy. Explained me.
What should it be?
You can't explain someone directly. You need to. Explain it to me. Can you explain this to me?
But I can say tell me, right?
Yes. Tell can take a direct object. Explain cannot. Tell me the answer. Explain the answer to me.
So explain always needs to?
When you're talking about explaining to someone, yes. Next mistake, I didn't went.
Oh, I know this one. Should be I didn't go.
Exactly. When you use did or didn't, the main verb stays in base form. I didn't go. I didn't went.
Because did already shows past tense.
Exactly. The past tense is in did, so the main verb doesn't change. More examples. She didn't see it. We didn't know. He didn't understand. She didn't saw it. We didn't knew. He didn't understood.
So basically, did or didn't plus base verb.
Always. Here's another. I am understanding.
Let me guess. Should be I understand?
Correct. Understand is a stative verb. It describes a state, not an action. Stative verbs don't usually use continuous tenses. I understand, not I am understanding.
What are other stative verbs?
Great question. Here are common ones. Know, not I am knowing, to I know. Like, not I am liking it, to I like it. Love, not I am loving pizza, to I love pizza. Believe, not I am believing, to I believe. Remember, not I am remembering, to I remember.
So feelings, thoughts, and states, those don't get ing.
Exactly. They describe how things are, not what you're actively doing. This one trips people up. I have been in London since 3 years.
What's wrong?
You need for, not since. I have been in London for 3 years.
What's the difference between for and since?
Great question. For is duration, a period of time. For 3 years, for 2 months, for a week.
Since is starting point, a specific time. Since 2020, since Monday, since 9 a.m. So since needs a date or time and for needs a length of time?
Exactly. More examples. I've lived here for 5 years. I've lived here since 2020. She's been working here for 6 months. She's been working here since January. Last one. Can you borrow me your pen?
Wait, should it be lend?
Exactly. Learners confuse these two all the time. Borrow equals you take something from someone. So, can I borrow your pen? And lend equals you give something to someone. So, can you lend me your pen?
So I borrow from you and you lend to me.
Perfect. Here's a simple way to remember. Borrow equals take. Lend equals div. Examples, I borrowed his car yesterday. He lent me his car yesterday. Not I lent his car, wrong because you took it, so borrowed. And he borrowed me his car, wrong because he gave it, so lent.
That actually makes sense now.
All right, let's recap all 10 mistakes fast. Number 1, I am agree. 2, I agree. Number 2, I am boring. 2, I'm bored. Number 3, I have 25 years old. 2, I am 25 years old. Number 4, I am coming from Brazil. 2, I come from Brazil, or I'm from Brazil. Number 5, it depends of. 2, it depends on. Number 6, explain me. 2, explain it to me. Number 7, I didn't went. 2, I didn't go. Number 8, I am understanding. 2, I understand. Number 9, since 3 years. 2, for 3 years. Number 10, borrow me. 2, lend me. Or can I borrow?
If you fix even half of these, you'll sound way more natural.
Absolutely. These are the sentences native speakers notice immediately. If this episode helped you catch mistakes you've been making, subscribe for more clear, practical English every week.
And let us know in the comments, which of these mistakes do you make? No shame, we all make them.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning. The key is noticing them and fixing them.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
See you soon.